Welding. Welding is more than two or more pieces of metal fused together. It is a blend of skill and exactness that are mastered by only having hands-on experience. As students continue to progress in the program, they will learn a variety of welding procedures that are industry standards. Students receive practice in metal forming and fabrication machinery, oxyacetylene, metallic pipe fit-up, semi-automatic inert gas welding, and tungsten inert welding.